Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the difference between Indian Standard Time, that is IST, and Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT. Now look at the middle line, which is 0 degree passing through the Greenwich, which is a village in London. Okay, this is well known. This is GMT. And look at 82 degree 30 minutes in India, which is passing through Mirzapur, at 82 degree 30 minutes, okay, which is called IST. We had discussed about that if this was not there, then we would have been facing 2 hours lag in time in Gujarat. Okay, if suppose it was 2 p.m. in Arunachal Pradesh, then we would have seen just 12 o'clock in Gujarat. So why we are not facing this time lag? Because we are following this standard meridian, that is IST, which is passing at 82 degree 30 minutes. That's it. Now you just see the world map again. Now here let us talk about the latitude and longitudinal lines. You all know that the lines which are horizontal, जो लेटी हुई लाइनें होती हैं उसे latitudes कहते हैं, and the lines which are vertical, that means which are top to down, are longitude. Okay, now let us just discuss that how we measure the time. As I just said to you that India IST is 82 degree 30 minutes. 82 degree 30 minutes. Now let us talk about the calculation of time, which is always done with the help of longitudinal lines. Just let's see the world map again and see the longitudes. Right now you just see longitudes because we have to learn how we calculate the time. Okay, now at 0 degree, okay, this is the GMT. When we go towards the east side, see 0 degree to 180 east, when we go towards east side, then we always see that the time is adding up, plus 4. This is plus 4. That means 4 minutes are added. Is it clear? Now this side you see, when we go towards west side, the 4 minutes are in minus 4. Okay, just let us see IST with respect to this Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, this Greenwich Mean Time is at the center, and let us assume India IST. Okay, now this is 0 degree, and as I told you that these longitudinal lines are representing 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. So Indian time will be, because it is towards east, so we are with plus 4. Okay, now 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 4 minutes, and 15 degrees is equal to 60 minutes. If I am saying that India IST is at 82 degree 30 minutes, then what? How much time we are more? How much time we are more? I just told you that 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 15 degrees is equal to 60 minutes. So what does this 82 degree 30 minutes represent? This represents 5 hours 30 minutes. We are how much time more? 5 hours 30 minutes more. Is it clear? So we are more In timing, we are 5 hours 30 minutes faster than Greenwich Mean Time. Okay. Now I am giving you test. Thank you.